Hello, my dear friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Welcome to Traders Profit House. This is the real Traders Profit House. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome strategy about boom and crush M1 time frame. Okay, in survey, I've seen and noted that thing. The people on binary.com, drive.com using M1 time frame mostly have lots of reason. Some guys doing scalping based on candles, some guys using lots of strategies catching spikes, okay, and some guys just using scalping candles, and a lot of reasons. Okay, now today I'm going to show you what and a special strategy just based on two indicators, two three indicators. Many people maybe now are not, but now today I'm going to show you with you. This is an awesome strategy, will help you to make awesome pips and really very easy and a very well strategy. Now let me show you how to set up the strategy. First thing you have to do that, simply click on indicator, look here F button, okay, go and click on Ichimoku Kenko Hayo. This is a Japanese language, okay. You have to check the parameters, and the first thing is the second sen is a 6, okay. Kinjun Sen is 16, okay. Shinku Span B is 54, and check on fill. And the style is the Tekken Sen will be 1 pixel and the color will be white, okay. If you're choosing that black background, simply choose the black color. And Kijun Sen is a white color also. Up Kumu and down Kumu is green and red, okay. Chiku span is 1 pixel. I use that white color, okay, and simply click on done. And look here, an awesome setup, and your chart is ready to kill the market, okay. But no, wait little bit, let me clear the things to you, okay, before going live. Please, my humble request, kindly go and give some back test also on strategy tester, and also give some demo so you guys understand what we are going to do and what is this, okay. Now simply again go in indicator section, click on RSI, choose period 5, 1 pixel color as your background color, okay. Mine is white, so I will choose the white, okay. Why we're choosing the relevant standard index? Because we need an empty indicator window 1, and I'll simply click on done. And look here, this is the empty indicator RSI window, because we are going to add Ichimoku Kenko Hayu and this RSI window. I'll simply click on indicator folder again and press this button, okay. Please, indicator window 1, press simply go and Ichimoku Kenko Hayu. This is in trend section, 4th indicator. Simply click on same parameters, don't do any changes, okay. As recommended, 6, 16, 54, 1 pixel, 3 pixel, green and red, and last one also the white color. Ichimoku Kinko Hayu, simply click on done and allow. Now look at this thing, now your strategy loaded successfully. Now look here how to make pips using this strategy. You have to choose, first of all, I want to tell you the sell signal. Look here, upward, from upward side of candles, okay. Once Ichimoku Kenko how you change the colors, it means that market is going to change direction. Look here, that sell signal of a red color trend, and here is the sell signal also in RSI, the confirmation of trend that market is going down. And look here how much pips continuously down, and look also we give this signal in our group. I will paste the group link. Look here, the binary manipulation gap and many things. This strategy will help you to stay away from manipulation. And look here, the buy signal, very easy and confirm the pips. Look here, the buy signal, and simply we got a confirmation from this point, buy signal, and we clicked on this, click on this. Look here, RSI window confirmation, this confirmation it took how much pips. Look here. Okay, now let me show you the sell signal. Look here guys, the sell signal appear there, and look here also confirmation from RSI window 1. Look here from our bought and our sold area. Okay, if you don't know our sold and our bought area, simply go in RSI indicator window and check on the level to change the color. You will see the lines in RSI window, and look here the sell signal, and look here and a buy signal. How awesome and easy. Look here, a buy signal. Okay, and the market started going down. So the market started going down, up, and look here the buy signal. Look here a sale confirmation. Look here, sale started from this point, also confirmed from this our sold area, and we made more pips. Look here, that sell signal, buy signal, sell signal. Look here, awesome buy. No need to purchase any custom indicator. Look here. So I hope you all guys understand how to use this strategy and what is this strategy and what's for. Okay, if you want to go more long, okay, I will request you to go on M5 time frame and milk the market using this awesome strategy. Okay, look here, sale and a lot of pips. This is not spike strategy, this is for trend trading, for M1 trend trading. Okay, also